Very good morning to all my fellow mates and respected teachers. Today, we, the students of APS Firozpur, are going to explain some of the important mathematical concepts in a delicious way through our project Mathematics. In the right hand side, we have
The Fibonacci pasta building. Good morning. My name is Aman. I am from class 9. So this is the building of Fibonacci pasta. It has different types of pastas in the menu with additional toppings. The menu is fully based on Fibonacci sequence. A Fibonacci sequence is a group of numbers in which every number is the sum of two preceding ones, typically starting with 0 and 1. So it goes like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and so on. This application is used in modern day mathematics, arts and even in computer algorithms. It's a very beautiful example of how simple rules can create different patterns. The Fibonacci sequence is very important in both real life and mathematics. In real life, we can find it in different places. For example, in the spirals of the pine cone and to the arrangement of the leaves on the stem. In mathematics, the Fibonacci sequence is a fundamental concept in which it showcases the beauty of recursive relationships within the numbers, in which every number is the sum of two preceding ones.
Thank you, Aman. That was a lovely explanation. Good morning, everyone. My name is Piyush Mukherjee and I am from class 11. I am representing the pizzeria. As the name suggests, it's all about the area of the pizza that is determined by the radius chosen by our customer. You know, the area of circle is calculated by the relationship A is equal to pi r square, where A denotes area, pi has a numerical value 3.14 and r is the radius. By adjusting the radius, the customers feel independent and precise about what they want to eat and so on. This is the primary example of how mathematical geometry is used in our day-to-day life. It's also logical but also easy for the common folk to understand. Lastly, as you know, the mathematics is not just a subject but also a partner in our life. And the next time you will order a pizza in here, you will know that it's not only about the taste but also the maths behind that perfect and delicious pie you are eating. Thank you.
Thank you, Piyush. And I am Samisha Pathak of class 11, and I am going to explain the third outlet of this project in which probability pops are there. In this spinning wheel, we have 8 different flavors of popcorns, and when a customer spins the wheel, this means the probability of getting an flavor is 1:8. This is a vital concept where probability explains the flavor in different manners. And as probability in real life also helps, like when there is chance of when we cross a road or when we play a game, we have different chances of winning or losing the game. So this how the probability explains the whole concepts, and as we know that probability is a powerful concept for our predicting outcomes and risk and management in business also. So at last, I want to conclude that that maths is just not a subject but also a part of our daily life, which is hardly noticed by someone else. And from now on, whenever you see around yourselves, you can predict mathematics in that area. Thank you.